Here is a Moss WF52 I got from Cleveland Fan Collector. Oh, a couple Fanimations ago. I can't exactly remember which trip it was. But I had this in my shed for the longest time and decided to put it down here in my very soon-to-be bedroom. Anyway, it's got dark wood cane blades. I really like this setup. Some of them have a lighter cane, such as, where'd it go? Oh, over here. Some of them had that kind of moss cane, and they had dark and white, almond, bunch of other different colors. But anyway, we'll start up on low. It is not a very fast runner. It is more geared for blade pitch than it is speed. But it has a really nice low speed though. It does have a wobble to it, but it's more noticeable on medium and high. Primarily high. Going to medium right now. It uses a double claw setup. I think these might have used J claw at one point. Maybe an earlier model. I don't know. I'm not too familiar with these. I know some of the old school Mosses, they use J hooks. And then getting into the early 80s, the late 80s, or mid 80s models, then you start getting double claw. And a little high. See, that wobble's pretty extreme. It's a really nice air mover though, for what it is. Like I said, it's not very fast. This is more like a medium speed, which is fine. I couldn't make up my mind what I want to put down here, so I put this up. And it honestly looks pretty good in here. Put it off. But yeah, that's it. And until next time.